them the outer sea? Guys, see them the outer sea? Wagwan people, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna do a video today of us going to the sea to catch some fish. And stay tuned if you don't want to see all of that. Krabby.
We're gonna catch a lot of fish and a lot of fun we're gonna have, yeah? Alright, stay tuned. Alright.
Stay tuned if you don't want to see all of that. When we come back, we'll cook them and have a great time. Later, guys. Beach check. My little bag with all of my necessities in there. The things that I'm gonna need. And then now, I so I'm gonna wait. Catch some fish, chillax, and easy. This is one cinnamon stick. I don't know why I'm so. Let me just use it as a chew stick. You can use a chew stick. I just light here, so but I wasn't smoking it. It's just for just one habit, one recent habit I started. I really like it because when I realized that it's very sweet. Yeah, it's really sweet and so. Look at challenge over there to the beach. This is the beautiful view. Sea looks so nice. Yay! Oh no, this is so beautiful. Mother Nature is so amazing. Every day she grows, it's never the same thing. Ah, this is so beautiful. I love this. Hey, baby. Birdie looking food. Catch the dinner. This is what we found outside crabs. I'm gonna show you something. This is what we found just now. A seashell, so beautiful. And the men are going to catch fish. And I am gonna stay right on land until them come back. Alright, so yeah. See what we got today. Come see them. Woo! Water no good. Oh, from we get food that good, man.
We have food.
Yay! Scale them up.
I'm supposed to fuck you out of them.
Okay, two mackerel, one mackerel, that's the way we don't put mackerel.
Where are you? Same price here.
Think of the two stuff I show?
I should have shoot. You know, say two, I should have shoot. Because the one they should have different.
Right.
So you had string.
So,
Take me away, a secret place. Take me away, a secret place. This is my new favorite spot, guys. Quiet. It's empty. Okay. Cause like we emphasize on the quietness. So this is my new favorite spot. Just about come here, come chillax, spend the day sometime and just enjoy. Enjoy nature. Actually, me really love this. On the website, when I hear me because me a talk, but me not sure if it's loud enough. Alright, I'm really love this spot. I really love this spot. I'm in my favorite spot this right now. I see something. Man, one day. The current is really strong out there. And then if you wanna look good up there, close up, you can see the fishermen. Well, we not see them again, but they're right there. Wow. Guys, this is the thing with frying fish. You always have to make sure you stay away from the oil when it's popping. But yeah, this is the what kind of fish them here again they won't put in first?
marlin.
Then you are the marlin them are fry right now. I want tuna. This one is tuna. Then two you are marlin. Alright, so I'm gonna grate this. Oh gosh, sorry, not grate, I mean blend this coconut.
Coconut milk.
Yeah, guys. Yeah, guys, this is my food looking so beautiful and so lovely. Coconut rundown fish and some boiled bananas and some yam and pop